Hello, we are live. We are live. We are live. Okay, so mhm, let's implement this thing. So we created this thing, request funds, right? So maybe let's go ahead and let's see if we can over here where we submit the request. Maybe we can say uh, dispatch what do we call here, uh, we should call a fund request and probably will pass form form data, right? Fund request form data. Now we need to create a fund request. Okay, so I need to go. Let's search for store. Okay, we have store. Let's where should I put this? Maybe I can create a reducer. What else do we have here? Verify reducer, right? Maybe I can just have, you know, I'll call it fund request basically, or funds. Mm, if I do funds, I can either transfer or I can use this thing, right? So funds reducer dot js we can call it. Uh, we can call it data, right? Mhm. So let's call it fund request. Why not call it funds? Correct, correct, correct. All right. root reducer. Uh, so what else can we have? Now let's you know what, let's create this thing on the action types. Maybe somewhere here does this say expert comes friends reducer. And reducer is done, right? So I have to go on actions now. So we use the actions. We can have something like this. Uh, mhm, mhm. Action type. Should I make this in a user action or should I create another one? I mean, it's an action related to user only, but let's create another one. I'll say funds request dot action dot js. Right. Uh, so here I can say mm, Maybe I can create this. I think it is there, so this must be gone. And over here I can say mm, instead of user equivalent I can say funds API client, right? I can just do this. Oh my god, why is this opening right now? Mm. Mm, okay. Guys, if you have any questions, feel free to come on chat. All right. Uh, let's have some chat so that let's say fun request. Let's have some chat. I have this. All right. Now instead of this, I'll say request funds. Over here I can say request funds. I need to remove this from snake case. I can say like this one request. And here is the form data. So I'll have a data over here. Right, request one would be a data. Maybe I can just do something like this. Make it a string kind of thing. Over here I can just say but then I have form data like that. Should I do it or should I not? I should not. Why should I? I can decrypt it, but I will not do this. Instead I'll simply go and use what do we have here? Data, right? Data. I'll simply do that. Correcto. Does that make sense? Let me on the request fund. Is it post request, right? We have upload receipt over here. Auth, we can just do that. And on the request funds, let's see if we don't get any issue. Rec.body, I'll have something. So maybe if I can comment this entire thing. And I can just check over here. Oh, it just remind me of Rust. I forgot that I'm working on Node.js. I will just say request. Oh, sorry. I'll have a rec.body. Right now I will use my terminal. Dispatch is not defined. Dispatch is not defined. Use dispatch. I think use dispatch would be good. Let's see how it goes. Okay, it has been compiled successfully and running. Let me just wait, change it over here. Hello, did you enjoy your weekend, bro? Yes, 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 yes. G. Sri Petro. Rovi's theme. I'm using Astro and Vim, and it has a theme called Astro Dark. So that's what it is. Astro Dark. Astro Dark. Yes, Astro Dark. Correct. Which is better, Astro and Vim, Lazy and Vim? Uh, I'm using Astro and Vim from quite a bit, but it has some things. So if I do this colon lazy, I think it's built on top of it. So it's already using lazy and Vim. So so I think you can use Astro and Vim to do so. Jupyter notebook कैसे डाउनलोड करें? Uh, yeah. So now let's see if I can dispatch it over here. If I open my network tools, let me just raise the amount. I want to request $100 from the admin. I'll have to upload the receipt. So I'll click it, upload it, and I'll just note, hey there, I have my request, right? And when I submit, I will have a request fund API that is going pending right now. Going pending. So I have got this thing. Because it is pending because it's all commented right now. So if I do rec.body, I can get a request amount. That makes sense. So I'll just undo it. So this is going good. Now let's see if our implementation, what we did over here. What I'm doing currently is I will first get the operator details from the user ID using the auth token. And as I get the operator details over here, I will try to create a fund request. Alright, so this is my fund request method over here. I'm creating the commission amount, the receipt amount. I can pass it from front end, but no, I will not use it from the front end. I'll try to fetch it on the server side only. So here, once I insert into a fund request table, I'll in the same time, if the record is inserted successfully, I'll create a notification for admin, right? So user type, user ID kind of thing and all, right? The thing is, user type and user ID, I just need to validate it from my create notification. So I think this will have an error because if I do over here, it will into notification, but no, I must have a CMS notification somewhere. So the table name is wrong because I just updated it. So it would be CMS notifications. And inside this, if I click it over here, I can see ID, user type, user ID, notification type, uh, oh, user type is always admin or some kind of thing. Oh god. Admin, a user ID is varchar 50. What is this user ID? Is red reference ID is result.insert ID. The reference type is fund request. Uh, so the user ID I'm using as all. Should it be all? User ID. I'm creating a notification. User type. A reference type. I think the user ID is for the agent. Is for the admin, right? Created it. Let's see first of all if it works, then we'll see it later. I'm using the basic init with COC type definition, custom key bindings, and themes much faster. Yep. Yeah, basic init Vim. It would be faster because on my other system it like works really fast. But here I think I did a lots of changes, lot of customization, LSP and all. So it is a little bit slow here. That I agree, totally agree. Uh, all right. Once I do this, I'm returning it from here like this. Instead of data is this. Right, maybe I can just say dot JSON. I have a success inside it. So maybe this has to be changed. We can use this thing over here instead of just doing this. Mm, and request submitted successfully. And here this data would be this, and I can click on wait. Right, I'll do get encrypted. I'll say data. So let's see how it goes. If I can get this, then we are done. We are good. Maybe later we can add right. So if I click it now, let's say I want to raise $200, then I'll get a discount of $4. Total I have to pay is this. Let me just add this thing. Hey, new request. Please see. Let's hold back. Johnny here. Uh, Come on, let's request. It's 400. Bad request. Bad request. Bad request. Receipt foil is required. Receipt foil is required. What the heck is this? Receipt foil is required. Don't we have any foil? If I check my... Damn, I have receipt. Reg.file. Yeah. Reg.file. What else can we... Can I get a... Can I get a... What else? What else? Receipt file is required. I think I need to configure my... Let's see, do I get anything on the uploads? What is the uploads? I didn't get anything in the uploads, so I think this is not working. Yeah. Upload receipt. What do we have here? Hello, soon, Michael. What's up? How you doing? Welcome on the chat. What could be the issue here? What's up, guys? Come on, like this stream. Like this stream. Come on. Oh, good to hear that soon. Good to hear that. Image, start with image mime type. So do I have any issue over here? I'm not sure. Uploads. Oh god. Okay. I have uploads and receipts. Right. Basically, I should have something like is this a finance app for which industry? It's not a finance app. Finance is a part of this. It's related to, yeah, the module that I'm doing is related to finance. What I'm trying to do is like this. So technically what should happen is if the directory is not present, it should create it. But for the, just omitting out the issues here, I have created it. Now let's see how it goes. Request, let me raise 200. I had to pay this. Let me, the receipt is this. Hey, it's your old pal. That's the note I'm taking. It's your old pal Johnny over here. Please review and transfer. I'll do that. Now let's see if I get anything. Should I um, let me just submit it. Getting is okay. Give me a minute, guys. All right, all right, all right. That is good. Summi, what do you delete? Summi, come on. Send it. Resend it. Summi. uh, yeah, you just go and check first. I will go. All right. Receipt is not getting over here. Why can't I do that? Disk storage. File name. File name. File. 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 Okay, upload receipt. Let's go here. File filter. Maybe I can just. Okay, so this is a storage, right? Everything will go inside it, and the file name would be a function. That'll do. Right. Right. Mm, uh, file, right? So maybe console load, load. I don't think this will do this. That's this. Let's upload the receipt. Get Johnny here. Correct. I'll just submit it. So the receipt file is required. Receipt file is required, and I get him any error over here, right? Rec.file. If I do Can I do something like I don't know, log. I'm working on JavaScript that I have to check. Rect dot body dot, what was it, recept. Object file. Object file. So if I do receipt dot file, will I get something? Undefined. If I do file name, undefined. This thing is going crazy. Single. Yes, of course, single. No, receipt is this. Do I have to do something else to save the file? Maybe here I need to do something, right? Guys, if you have any, like if any one of you has uploaded a file into a Node.js server using Milter, let me know if I'm missing something. Hmm. Maybe I can just say export const header form data. Right, so I can say headers as content type is multi-part from data and with the credential would be true. Header form data, so maybe I can use here from data and only data would be there. So it will be a fun request from data and then headers. All right. How the data will. That is good. That is good. Let me close this thing. So I created thing over here called form data. Now that is something. Can I? Maybe over here I can just say const form, oh god, form data is equals new form data, and maybe I will loop over here object dot keys and which keys, data, right, dot for each. I'll run it. I'll say key form data dot append. I'll just say key data key. I will have this thing over here. Maybe pass form data from here. Then I'll just do this. Now let's see what happens. One thing I need to make sure over here is I haven't used form data anywhere, right? Oh yeah. Now let's see. Let me refresh it. Let me check the chat first. Will I be able to follow you using VS Code? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, let's request the fund request again. I'll just raise for $300 right now. I'll just load the receipt. I'll say, hey, it's your old pal. That's your old pal, Charles, over here. Now let's see. Submit. I get invalid status code. Now I think I'll get something. I think that part is done now. Hopefully I will have something over here on the receipt. No, mother. No. It's a chance. I have a receipt over here. Mm-hmm. Auth. Uh, Token decoded, that's all right. User controller request fonts. I'm getting in 500. So there could be an error over here. Internal server error. Right. Where the sponsor says invalid code. Maybe I can get the error here. Can I get something like that? Try. Yeah. Uh, okay. Request fonts is here, right? I'll have a foil. I will have this thing, fund request error. But I'm getting these things but status code, so there must be some undefined value that I have to figure out for that. Uh, yep. Just give me a minute, guys. Alright, guys, so I'll have to leave right now. Electricity just went, so my UPS is out and it can just shut down anytime. So bye guys, I'm just ending the stream.